Hi all, welcome to the session. Today I'll be talking about accounting. So before going into the definition or the meaning of accounting, before that we have to know what is the need of accounting. In our day-to-day life, the individuals and organizations earn income and what they incur expenses from various sources. So they are interested to know what are the incomes they have made, what are expenses they have incurred, and also they are interested to know what is the profit or loss they have made in a particular period. So here comes the need for accounting. Accounting plays a vital role in case of business organizations because it helps the business people in various ways. Like it helps to track the income and expenditures that they have incurred in a particular period. They help to ascertain the profit or loss they have made. What they help to ascertain the financial position of the business. Likewise, they help to take various business decisions, etc. So here all comes the need for accounting. So this is why we are studying a subject known as accounting. So next, moving on to the meaning and definition of accounting. Accounting is often called as the language of business. Why? Language, we all know that language is a medium for communication. Language helps to communicate between two or more people. Language is that medium which helps to transmit the ideas or information or helps to communicate between two or more people. Likewise, accounting is a language of business. Why? Because accounting helps to communicate what is happening inside the business. Accounting helps to communicate the transactions or the operations that are being happened in the business to various other parties who are interested in knowing it. Say maybe customers, the government, the traders or the suppliers, etc. They all are interested to know what is happening inside the business, like what is the profit or loss that the business is making, or what are the transactions that are happening in the business. So accounting helps to transmit these things or communicate these things to these kind of various parties. So moving on to the definition, today I'll be providing you the definition provided by American Institute of Certified Public Accountants or AICPA. According to them, accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money transactions and events which are in part at least of a financial character and interpreting the results thereof. This particular definition provides all that is happening inside accounting. So this will be defining or explaining in the next slide. So moving on to features of accounting. The features of accounting is all what we have said in the definition. So the first feature is recording. This is the starting point of accounting. This is where accounting starts. So recording is the process of entering the business transactions in a systematic manner in particular books of account. So this is where we start the accounting. That is the business men, they try to enter all the financial transactions that is happening in the business in a systematic manner, say in a chronological manner or in a date-wise manner. So that is recording. The next feature is classified, where we will be grouping the recorded data on the basis of common characteristics. That is, same kind of data will be kept under a particular account. For example, we will be preparing a cash account to show all the cash related transactions. Then we may be preparing a capital account which shows all transactions that is related to capital. So once we have recorded the data, next we will be classifying this or grouping this particular recorded data on the basis of similar characteristics. The next feature is summarizing. Once we have classified or grouped the data, next we will be going to prepare and present this classified data in a suitable manner that is helpful for both the internal as well as the external users of accounting data. This accounting information is needed for many kinds of users. We mainly classify these users as internal users and external users. Internal users are those who need the accounting information, or those people who are inside the business. They may need accounting or accounting information. Say for example, the owners or the managers, the employees, they are interested to take various decisions based on this accounting information. So they are the internal users. The external users may be the suppliers, the customer, the government, the financial institutions, etc. They also need this particular, or they are interested to know what is happening inside the business. So in order to provide accounting information to them, we have to present the recorded classified data in a suitable manner. So that is what is known as summarizing. The next feature is analyzing. where we will be establishing the relationship between the various items of the income statement or the balance sheet. I've already told you that a businessman is interested to know the profit or loss or the financial position of the business, right? So for that, they will be preparing profit and loss account or income and statement account. And for knowing the financial position, they will be preparing a balance sheet. So from these two statements or accounts, we have a lot of items that is recorded in these accounts or statements. So these we can make certain, or we can establish certain relationship between the various items that is shown in these both accounts and statements. So that particular process of establishing relationship between the various items is known as analyzing. The next feature is interpreting, where we will be giving a meaning or interpreting the meaning for the relationship we have established in the previous process. That is, in the analyzing process, we are establishing a relationship between the various items, and in the interpreting process, we will be giving the meaning, or we will be establishing meaning for the significance of the relationship. And last but not least, the feature of accounting is communicating, where we will be transmitting or communicating the accounting information for decision making to various users. So these are the main features of accounting. We can also say that these are the process of accounting also, we can say. So next, we will be discussing the objectives of accounting. All these we have already discussed. So these are the main objectives of accounting. The first one being to maintain systematic records. So a businessman need to record the financial transactions or the financial operations of the business in order to ascertain the profit and loss, or to ascertain the financial position, or for his future reference, etc. He will have to record these transactions. So that is one of the main objective of accounting, to maintain the systematic records. The second objective is to ascertain the profit and loss. Businessman is of course interested to know what is the profit or loss he has made in a particular period. So this profit and loss could be ascertained by preparing a profit and loss account. The third feature is to ascertain the financial position of the firm. Similarly, likewise, I have already said that a businessman is interested to know the profit and loss of the business, right? Likewise, he is also interested to know what is the financial position of the firm. That is, what is the position of the assets and liabilities of the firm. This could be ascertained by preparing a statement called balance sheet. And last but not least, the objective of accounting is to provide accounting information to users. We already discussed that accounting information is what needed for many users, and in order to provide them such accounting information, we have to do this accounting process. So these are the main objectives of accounting. So we are moving on to the last topic of this session, which will be functions of accounting. So these 5 are the major functions of accounting. The first one being measurement. Accounting helps to measure the past transactions of the business, and helps to ascertain or the current position of the firm. In accounting, actually, we are looking back. What has happened in the business? What are the past transactions? And on that basis only, we will be ascertaining the current position of the firm. The next feature is forecasting. On the basis of this particular past performance or the past transaction, accounting helps to forecast what will happen next in the business, or what is a trend, or what will happen next, or what is the profit and loss that the company will make, or what will be the future position of the firm. All this could be forecasted on the basis of accounting. The next one is decision making. Accounting helps in decision making to various users, or accounting provides such information which is helpful for decision making to various parties. The next one is evaluation. Accounting evaluates the performance of employees and managers, as well as the financial results that have been achieved by the firm. Lastly, the function of accounting is controlling. Accounting helps to know the weaknesses of the firm and helps to take the corrective actions as and when it is needed. So these are the main functions of accounting. So with this, I'm ending my session. Thank you.